Alright, are y'all ready for another easy call? That's what I'm going to call it. This says the Nest thermostat is the Nest thermostat is showing E3 code. We're going to figure out what that is. First I got to get a key to this door. Let's see, first AC is not coming on. Feels like it's working fine to me. Feels good in here. Now we gotta find the first floor thermostat. Oh, here it is. And we lost power. Now we gotta find the first floor unit. There it is. Okay. And nothing. It's dry as a bone. It's not the float switch, guys. It's not the drain line. There's no power. Power's on. Alright, so we're going to Your Cool AC. Hey, that's a, I guess a cool name right there. I hear a hum. Something is humming. Looks like we have blown fuse. Alright, here's the fun part. I'm gonna go get my fuse popper and we'll be back. Alright, so when I do fuses and I test them, if it's an instant pop, it's most likely the thermostat or just a straight to ground short. If fan kicks on, everything kicks on, and as soon as the outside kicks on, it's probably a bad contactor outside. That's the easy way to figure it out. Or it's just a horrible Nest. So let's wait and see if this thing kicks on. Alright, fan's kicking on. Outside is kicked on. Good pop. We'll see. We'll let it run for a little bit. Could have just been a power surge. Could have been this. Yep. Right now, seems to all be working fine. I'm gonna throw her in heat mode. Full set starts in 2 minutes, so let's wait. We'll wait. I'm gonna let the outside kick back on. And we'll go from there. Now, if you don't have the patience for the thing to kick on and you don't want to wait, you can pull these wire nuts up there and just jump red to yellow, then red to orange, red to green for fan, and just to see what shorts and pops the fuse. If you go red to yellow, it's going outside to the condenser, and you gotta look there. It's probably a contactor. Alright, it's blue. Everything is running. Fuse did not pop. I'm going to put it in heat mode. This thing usually don't use heat strips, but just in case. The carrier, those little relays in there like to go bad a lot of times. I just want to, just in case, make sure nothing's shorted in those relays. I'll throw it in heat mode. It could have just been a power surge. So this just goes to show you down here in Florida, I got the fuse in it now, but down here in Florida, the bad power ain't no joke. There ain't even a filter in this thing. I'll notate that. Could be making that blower pull high amps. Assume the filter is somewhere else since there's our return plenum. But goes to show you though, we got bad power in Florida, and that's why you invest in a surge protector just to help avoid these little calls, little costly calls. The system's running though, we are good to go. Call the landlord and I'll tell them what I found. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all are having a good day, a good Friday evening. Today is Friday when you see this video. I'm not sure what day it will be, but wish y'all an easy weekend and hope all your calls are easy like that one. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.